Okay, let's go there and see what's this stop knife crime. Seems like a movement for knife crime.
You've got to go to.
What is this place? What's this statue? What's this? Hello.
Hi there, how
Yeah.
you doing?
Good, how are you?
Too bad, thank
So this is like a campaign for stop knife crime here.
you. Yeah, so the Knife Angel is a national project. Have you been up to see it?
No, I have not seen it yet.
You should see it up close. It's made out of over 100,000 knives
Okay.
that have been confiscated or given up in amnesty bins. Weighs about 3 tons.
Nice.
It tours the country, so every month it goes somewhere new. So for the month of October, it's here for Hertfordshire, and obviously with Hertfordshire Constabulary doing Lives Not Knives to raise awareness for knife crime and knife deaths and that
Nice
sort of thing.
initiative.
Yeah, absolutely.
It looks very nice. Yeah, I'll look into it.
Yeah, if you come back later, once it goes dark, they light it up.
Okay.
And it's
more
quite
beautiful
something to see.
Yeah.
So if you look around it, 'cause especially all of it is made of knives, even the face and the hands, they're melted down and grinded up knives.
Okay.
And some of the blades that are on the back, on the wings, have names and initials engraved into them of people who've unfortunately passed away. It's quite a powerful thing. The banners up the front have a lot more information on it as well.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
Okay, so this was the statue he was telling about, that it's made of knives. I can't believe, wow, looks magnificent. And this is made of knives all the way. Wow, on the back as well, all these knives here. And
How heavy did you say? 3.5 tons.
oh man,
Crazy.
it's
It
amazing.
arrived yesterday morning on a one.
It's amazing how did they made this thing.
Yeah, 100,000 separate knives that all been confiscated or handed in across the whole of the UK.
They're making a new one.
And they're making a new one.
Yeah, for the new knives.
It's striking, isn't it?
Where was this before?
I don't know when it was last, but it tours the UK. It'll be a new location every month. Yeah.
I've seen this somewhere. I can't remember where I've seen it.
Some of the larger knives at the backs have got engravings as well of messages and initials of victims. Yeah. One just says
I mean,
why.
it's just crazy. It's thick, it's thick that they can just move around with it.
Knife Angel.
If you come back in the evening, it gets lit up as well.
Does it?
And it looks even more powerful at night. It looks like the angel's crying as well.
Oh
When the light
really?
hits in a certain way, yeah.
Oh. Don't cry.
Even the hands and face are made out of knives.
Really?
Yeah, it'll grab down and melt it down. Yeah.
Even the hands.
Yeah. Apart from the internal base structural side of things, still for structure, it's all knives.
The wings aren't though.
Wings are knives.
Yeah, look,
Are they?
look at the blades. You can see they've taken the
Wow.
hands off.
They look like
Blades, can you see the big chop?
All of October.
they look like
Until
meat
the 30th.
Yeah, all
It's just travelling around.
Yeah, it tours to the UK.
Where's it going next?
I don't know where it's going next actually. Not
Where
quite
was it
sure.
before?
Don't know either. Not entirely sure. Yeah, but it's still a month. But yeah,
Wow.
come back at night definitely. With the light lights up from underneath, it's all lit up. and it's even more striking then.
I mean, when you see like that,
We're holding, so we've got a knife amnesty over here
Yeah.
with larger knives. We're holding CPR workshops over here and hemorrhage control, show what a stab wound looks like and how much it bleeds and what you can do for them. We're here all month. Yeah.
And where did they get all these knives from?
So it was done, an artist called Alfie, his name's on here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
It was built about 10 years ago, I think, a while ago.
Okay.
And they were all handed in through different police. So the knives are coming from the whole of the UK. All 47 police constabularies all handed them in for the structure itself.
I mean, all these
Alfie
are
Bradley.
from criminals or?
No, so none of the knives have actually been used. They
Okay.
can't do that. These ones that have been either confiscated or handed in through with knife amnesties across the UK. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.